October 11, 2021, the waxing moon appears above the spout of the Teapot of Sagittarius. Brilliant Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn are visible after sunset. Chart caption: 2021, October 11, after sunset, the moon is near the Teapot of Sagittarius. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:59 a.m. CDT, sunset, 6:15 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. The waxing crescent moon, 37% illuminated, appears above the spout of the Teapot of Sagittarius this evening. Seemingly the lunar orb is immersed in the steam of the pot spout. The teapot shape is an asterism, a group of stars that resembles what it's named after, such as the Big Dipper and Little Dipper. The teapot is part of a larger constellation. The names of the stars that are labeled on the chart show the association with the mythological creature, a centaur part human and part horse. In celestial artwork, the creature is holding a bow and arrow and sometimes named the archer. The archer's bow is marked by cause borealis, northern part of the bow, cause media, middle of the bow, and cause australis, southern part of the bow. The tip of the arrow is marked by alnisil. Cause borealis is the top of the teapot's lid, while the other three stars make the spout. Meanwhile, the three bright planets, Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn, are visible after sunset. The moon is between Venus and Saturn. Chart caption: 2021, October 11, after sunset, Venus is between Shuba and Al-Niyat. At 45 minutes after sunset, brilliant Venus is about 10 degrees above the southwest horizon. It is stepping through Scorpius. It is between Shuba and Al-Niyat. Al-Niyat's name is frequently translated as artery, because of its proximity to Antares, the star considered the Scorpion's heart. Venus is moving toward Antares. This evening the gap is 5.3 degrees. Chart caption: 2021, October 11, bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the south-southeast after sunset. Saturn is about 30 degrees to the upper left of the moon at this hour. Bright Jupiter is farther eastward, near the star Deneb Algedi. Yesterday, Saturn stopped retrograding and is slowly moving eastward compared to the starry background. Jupiter's retrograde ends next week. This evening look for the steamed moon near the teapot as well as the three bright evening planets. Detailed daily note: 45 minutes after sunset, the moon, 5.5D, 37%, over 19 degrees above the south-southwest horizon, is above the spout of the Teapot of Sagittarius. It is 3.2 degrees to the lower right of cause borealis, lambda SGR, m equals 2.8, 2.7 degrees to the upper right of cause media, delta SGR, m equals 2.7, and 4.0 degrees to the upper left of alnisil, gamma SGR, m equals 3.0. Brilliant Venus, m equals minus 4.4, nearly 10 degrees up in the south is between Shuba and Al-Niyat, sigma SCO, m equals 2.9, 2.2 degrees to the left of the former and 3.3 degrees to the right of the latter. Venus continues to close toward its conjunction with Antares. This evening's gap is 5.3 degrees. Venus sets 112 minutes after sunset. Saturn, over 30 degrees to the upper left of the moon, is 27.0 degrees above the south-southeastern horizon. Jupiter, 15.5 degrees to the left of Saturn, is nearly 26 degrees up in the southeast. 2 hours after sunset, Saturn, nearly 29 degrees up in the south and west of the meridian, is 1.5 degrees to the lower right of Upsilon Cap. Use a binocular to spot the distant star field with the giant planets. Jupiter, about 32 degrees up in the south-southeast, is 3.7 degrees to the lower right of Dim Mu Cap, 2.0 degrees to the upper right of Deneb Algedi, and 1.4 degrees above Nishira.